This video focuses on how to release stuck fascia. You can do a pinch test and feel where you can pinch the skin up away from the muscle. When I get down to my IT band towards my hip, I can no longer pinch the skin away, so I know that this is an area that I need to focus on. Start with dry brushing. For the purpose of this video, I'm only demonstrating dry brushing on the area that I'm going to work on, but you can always dry brush your entire body and then just focus on one area of the body when you perform gua sha. Just a note, I noticed that I have more cellulite and more pain in this area where the fascia is stuck. To prepare the skin for gua sha, always apply the aura activator and the aura oil first. It's imperative that the stone glides on the skin without friction for best results. To focus on my upper thigh, which is the most stuck, I'm going to use the rounded tip and go back and forth over the IT band area. You'll notice that it starts to get pink right away. When you're working on a part of the body where the fascia is stuck, it might be painful. For me, it feels good to use firm pressure here, but make sure you're listening to your own body. After I've worked back and forth with the rounded tip, I'm going to smooth it out with the wavy edge of our stone. The wavy edge of our stone is very unique and it's perfect for breaking up fascia. I'm now going to move back towards the rounded tip and move down a little bit lower towards my hamstring. I'm moving the stone pretty quickly and you can see that my thigh is starting to get red, but it's not bruising. I'm then going to try out the rounded end of the stone to see how that feels. It's really good to experiment with the different edges of the stone because it's not the same as facial gua sha where we're really rigid about which side of the stone is good for what. It's really about what feels good for you. I'm also going to give some love to my hamstring and my quad and just make sure that this entire area feels open and free. I'm doing this video in real time so you get a sense of how long it takes to work on one thigh.